Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making pork loin fillet in the air fryer. Before I start, please give this video a big old thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks. And let's begin. We have here pork loin fillet from Hormel, and let's open it up. It's around 1.5 pounds. There you go. The first thing we're going to add is some sea salt. Make sure to season the sides with salt. There you go. Next, we're going to add some garlic. Make sure to get the corners. Some onion powder. There you go. Some paprika to give it a little smoky flavor. Turn it over. Next, we're going to add some basil. We're going to add some rosemary. And some thyme. There we go. The last thing what we're going to do is spray some olive oil. And that's it. We're just going to let it sit here for 30 minutes. For best results, you want to leave it in the fridge overnight before putting it into the air fryer. But you know what? 30 minutes will do just fine. Okay, it's been 30 minutes and now we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to set it at 400 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated. Let's put it in. First thing what we're going to do is spray a little olive oil in there. And then we're going to put in the piece of pork loin. There you go. Going to put it in. We're going to leave it in there at 400 degrees for a total time of 26 minutes. Okay, it's been 13 minutes so far, and now we're going to flip over the pork loin. Oh boy, it smells really good. Spray a little olive oil. And then we're going to flip it over real quick. There we go. Make sure it's in the center. And then we're just going to spray a little bit more olive oil. Okay, we're going to put it in. Okay, it's been 26 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking good. Wow, it smells really good. Okay, we're going to stick a meat thermometer and we're looking for 145 degrees minimum. Okay, we're good. It's slightly over 150 degrees and we're going to take it out. Wow, it smells really good. Okay, we're going to let it rest for a few minutes. Alright, let's cut it up. Ooh, it's really nice and tender. Look at that. Ooh, it's nice and tender too. Okay, this is what we have today. Pork loin made in the air fryer. Give it a try, it's really delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.